Take a look at your current multi-location page. Is it just a massive, unorganized wall of city names? Stacking dozens of links creates two separate bottlenecks. First, it forces potential customers to hunt for their hometown, creating friction the moment they land. Second, it gives Google a structural dead end instead of clear context about your actual service area. To fix this, you need three things ready to go: access to your website CMS, a finalized list of service areas, and your Google Business Profile reviews. We are going to take that static text list and turn it into an interactive geographic hub, one that automatically routes user traffic while actively building local SEO authority. Step 1 is establishing the geographic hub. We start with a customized embedded Google map placed right at the top of the page, showing pins on every active service area or physical office. Directly below the map, you need clean categorization. If your footprint is small, a simple grid of cards with the city names and a View Location button is all you need. This diagram shows how to scale that design. If you operate across dozens of cities, group those cities by region or county to keep the interface manageable and organized. The primary objective here is to give users an immediate, frictionless way to locate their specific city, either visually on the map or categorically in the grid. Do not fall back on dumping 50 links into a single paragraph. That forces the user to do the work you should be doing for them. By visually orienting visitors right away, the geographic hub actively prevents the immediate user bounce that plagues poorly designed directories. Now that the map is set, step 2 is adding a high-level service overview directly underneath it. Keep this text broad. Write a few short, benefit-driven paragraphs outlining what you do, your overall company standards, and any active warranties. Hold back on the hyper-local details. The street-level nuances belong on the individual child city pages, not here. With the overview written, we move to step 3, placing the multi-location core call to action. The tool you use depends on your specific business model. Service-based businesses should feature a dynamic booking form or a prominent free estimate button. Brick-and-mortar offices need a smart routing tool, like a zip code entry field to find the nearest location. Embedding this CTA directly on the parent page accommodates the high-intent user. If they already know they want your service, they can convert instantly without clicking any deeper into the site. Next is step 4, layering in centralized social proof. We do this by embedding a review widget that pulls 5-star feedback from across your various Google Business profiles. Manually select and highlight testimonials that explicitly mention the different cities you serve, proving your reliability across multiple regions. Step 5 is installing a global FAQ section at the very bottom of the page. Draft 3 to 5 broad questions relevant to your entire footprint. Answer common inquiries, like whether you charge a travel fee outside the main city, or how quickly you can deploy a team. Once the text is finalized, apply FAQ schema markup to this section inside your CMS. This markup translates your questions for search engines. It allows your page to physically take up more digital real estate directly on Google search results. By combining cross-regional reviews with schema-backed FAQs, you build a documented authority signal for both human readers and search algorithms. Before you publish this page, there is one critical technical failure point you must avoid. It's called SEO self-cannibalization. This happens when you publish identical text across multiple pages, forcing your own site to compete against itself for Google rankings. Here is the cardinal rule of content. First, never copy and paste text from your main homepage onto this new parent location page. Second, do not duplicate this parent page's text down into your individual child city pages. Strict content isolation is required. Writing unique copy for every level of your site architecture is the only way to protect and maximize your local rankings. Let's review the final product. We now have a fully assembled parent location page, functioning exactly as outlined. The user flow is clean. Visitors orient themselves via the map, validate your expertise through the high-level overview and localized reviews, and can convert instantly using the core CTA. At the same time, search engines index a carefully structured, schema-rich authority hub, rather than a frustrating list of duplicate links. You now have the parent directory built properly. Your next step is filling out those specific city links. Click the next video in this series to learn how to write the hyperlocal content required for your individual child city pages.